Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So this is Jenny, and in today's video I'll be sharing how to make a DIY hand sanitizer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so for making this hand sanitizer we need some distilled water, then we need an antiseptic solution, aloe vera gel and glycerine. So here I am using a market bought hand sanitizer. It's optional. For this we need to take 1 cup of distilled water, pour it into a clean container. Make sure whatever containers and whichever utensils you're using, make sure they're clean. Now I'm going to use a tablespoon of glycerine. Glycerine works as a moisturizer and will definitely moisturize your hands and keep them soft and smooth. So 1 tablespoon and mix it properly in water so that it gets dissolved. So now we will give some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has the properties of antioxidants and acts as an antibacterial. So we will give 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It also works as a moisturizer and also an antibacterial solution. It's a gel, not a solution, and you need to mix it for a long time until it gets dissolved, because aloe vera gel does not get dissolved in water so easily. So now I'm using Dettol. You can use any antiseptic liquid that works as an antiseptic solution and kills the bacteria present in your hands. So don't use more than 1 tablespoon, otherwise the color will change. So basically now I'm going to pour some market bought sanitizer, just because to give it more sanitizing features. This is a total optional ingredient. If you don't want to give this, you can skip it. Just I used it to give it more sanitizing feature. So I'm putting 1 tablespoon of it and then mix it. We need to mix it very properly. Now take any empty spray bottle or something like this, which I am using, and pour the whole mixture in that. You can store this sanitizer for at least 2 months in refrigerator, and if you're not storing it in refrigerator, then you can store it for at least 1 month, and it really works as a great sanitizer. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if you want more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have really liked this, then do share it to everyone. So for then, bye and Allah Hafiz.